Hello friends, in today's video we will understand the significance of planets. We will learn about three planets, that is Sun, Moon and Mercury. So basically the Sun, it represents your authority, it represents the ego which you have, it represents the leadership qualities, and it represents your soul. Like what is one thing which satisfies your soul. So wherever Sun is placed in your house, that significance, if you do it, it will satisfy your soul. It represents your father in terms of the relationship, as well as the government is represented by the Sun. Then we have the Moon. So Moon basically represents the emotions, the mood. Any kind of mood swings is actually checked by the placement of Moon. It represents mother in terms of the relationship which we have. The food, basically almost all the foods are represented by food, especially the milk which we have. And the liquid cash, the wealth which you have in your hand, that is also represented by Moon. Then we have the Mercury. Mercury, in Hindi we call it as Budh. So basically it represents your intellect. Okay, it represents your curiosity, it represents your communication as well. And in terms of relationship, it represents any female relatives, or it can represent your sister. Now when it comes to female, as I mentioned, it can be any female relationship, but it cannot be your mother or your wife. So basically mother, as we mentioned, it's represented by Moon, and wife, as we go further we will learn it, but basically it's represented by Venus. So other than these two, any kind of female relatives are represented by Mercury. So yeah, that is all about the significance of Sun, Moon and Mercury. Remember one thing, Sun is basically known as the king of all the 9 planets which we have in Vedic astrology. Moon is known as the queen of all the planets, and Mercury is basically known as the prince. It's the curious child which we have. So yeah, that is all about this video. Thank you.